Hello, good morning. Welcome to the Marfan Trust Laboratory in Queen Mary University of London. I am Dr. Argo Martin, and I would like to say thank you for your continuous loyalty to the Marfan Trust. And I just want to show you some of the projects that you're funding at the moment. We have here one of our students.
Hi, I'm Ajit Kumar, and I just finished my master's from Queen Mary in Genomic Medicine discipline, and now I'm working as a volunteer under Dr. Jose in Sonali Labs, and now I'm working on FPM gene in case of genome editing.
Thank you, Ajit. And we have another student here.
Hi, I'm Chandana. I recently completed my master's in genomic medicine, and right now I'm working on genotype correlations of FPM gene and using Marfan syndrome database. And I'm working volunteer under her side.
Fantastic. Thank you. Just follow me, and then we're going to go to the other side of the lab because we have a very new machine. And this is another student who's working on this machine at the moment. He will tell you all about it.
Hello, my name is Zisan Ahmed. I am currently doing my master's MSc in genomic medicine in Queen Mary. So I am working on the new novel genes on aortic disorders like Loeys Dice or Marfan syndrome. So we are using this new machine which is EcoSolo, which came a few days ago. We are using this for sequencing techniques. So this is how we do it. Before this machine we had to send our samples to another lab, and then we have to wait 3 months, 4 months. So now we can do it here in seconds. So we can sequence many genes and see.
Thank you, Yusan. So this is what to say. Just thank you to all of you for your loyalty and